Today's tutorial is about how to calculate quantity of bricks, cement and sand in brick masonry. To calculate number of bricks for a cubic meter, these are the dimensions of normal brick. The picture denotes brick along with mortar. This is the normal brick size. Size of brick along mortar results volume in cubic meter, that is 0.002 cubic meter. To calculate number of bricks, the formula as below: volume of 1 cubic meter divided by volume of 1 brick results 500 number of bricks per 1 cubic meter. To calculate the quantity of cement required for a brick mortar, volume of mortar in brick wall for 1 cubic meter, that is number of bricks in 1 cubic meter multiplied with volume of normal brick results 0.7695 cubic meter. To represent wet volume, has to subtract with 1 cubic meter. 1 minus 0.7695 results 0.2305 cubic meter. To calculate the dry volume, the formula as below: wet volume plus 33% multiplied with wet volume, that is 0.3065 cubic meter. For brickwork, we use 1:6 ratio, that is mixed proportion, 1 part of cement and 6 parts of sand. Quantity of cement in 1 cubic meter formula represents dry volume of mortar into ratio of cement divided by ratio of cement plus sand results 0.0437 cubic meter. To calculate quantity of cement in kg, quantity of cement into density of cement results 62 kg. One bag of cement is 50 kg. Number of bags required for 1 cubic meter, that is 1.24 bags. Cost varies for cement from each brand. Here for Ultratech, the present price is rupees 380. To calculate quantity of sand for brick mortar, we use majorly two types of sands. One is M sand, another one river sand. M sand properties as below: density 1850 kg per meter cube, cost rupees 700 to 1100 per ton. For river sand, density 1650 kg per meter cube, cost rupees 1800 to 2200 per ton. To calculate quantity of sand in 1 cubic meter, the formula: dry volume of mortar into ratio of sand divided by ratio of cement plus sand results 0.262 cubic meter. To calculate quantity of sand in kg, quantity of sand into density of sand results 432.3 kg for river sand, 484.7 kg for M sand. Majorly we use a tractor and a truck for transportation of a sand. Tractor capacity 4 to 4.5 tons, truck capacity 19 to 20 tons. Tractor capacity 4000 kg results 0.108 tractor for 1 cubic meter. As per present rates in Andhra Pradesh, tractor sand cost rupees 8000 results 864.6 rupees for 1 cubic meter. 1 kg of sand as per present rates rupees 2 per kg. Let's start our video. To calculate required bricks, cement, sand for this ground floor 3D model with plot area of 1200 square feet. First need to create schedules and quantity in project browser. Right click on schedules and quantities, new schedule and quantity. In category, select the category type as walls. OK. Need to add available fields. Here required available fields are area and volume. OK. Here represents in a tabular format representing area and volume. Area represents in square meters, volume represents in meter cube. To create number of bricks required, click on edit, click on calculated value, number of bricks, the formula is volume divided by the value meter cube. Okay, okay. Represents number of bricks required for overall volume. To calculate the cost of the bricks, edit, calculated value, title as cost of bricks, in formula number of bricks multiplied with the value of the each brick. As per my location, the brick cost is 7 rupees. Okay, represents cost of the bricks. Now need to calculate sand quantity and cement quantity. First I need to add cement quantity. Click on edit, add calculated value, number of cement bags, number of cement bags, formula volume multiplied by 1.24 as represented per 1 cubic meter. Okay, represents number of cement bags required for the brick masonry. To calculate bag cost, click on calculate value, cost of cement, in formula number of bags multiplied with cost of each bag. Cost is 380 rupees for each bag. Okay, represents the cost of the cement. Now I need to calculate quantity of sand required. Click on edit, calculated value, quantity of sand, in formula volume multiplied with the cement quantity, that is 432.2, 432.3 per meter cube, 1 meter cube. These are the parameters represented for number of bricks, cost of bricks, number of cement bags, cost of cement, and quantity of sand. Need to calculate the cost of this sand. Click on edit, calculated value, cost of sand, in formula quantity of sand multiplied with rupees per each kg, rupees 2 for each kg of sand. Okay, the quantity of sand represent in kilograms and cost of sand represent in kgs. To make with the decimal value, click on unit format, select each, fixed. Okay, need to represent total value, edit, sorting and grouping, activate grand totals, select totals only, formatting, Select all fields, activate calculate totals, OK. Represent all the total values regarding all fields. To export this work schedule to Excel sheet in Revit application, export, scroll to bottom, in reports, schedule, save the file in text, save, text qualifier, activate none, OK. This is how entire wall schedule has been exported to Excel sheet from Revit architecture. This is how we have to create the quantity of bricks, cement and sand in Revit architecture. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Press bell icon for new updates.